When you're cutting down small trees, especially at height, you want a reliable chainsaw that's going to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Milwaukee's M18 fuel lineup now includes a top-handled chainsaw, which boasts competitive and pro-grade performance. In this video, we're going to give you our take on how this tool will benefit lawn care professionals so you understand what to expect. You'll have the option between a 12-inch and a 14-inch model, both of which Milwaukee claim cut faster than 35cc gas chainsaws. The M18 Fuel top handle features the expected electronics that let it reach full throttle quickly. While Milwaukee told us that these chainsaws maintain their speed without bogging down, we had to test that for ourselves. On what I estimated was an 8 to 9 inch diameter log, I made nearly a dozen cuts. All I can say is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel top handle chainsaw is strong. I can stall a gas saw, and I could have stalled this one by applying an unreasonable amount of pressure to the tool as it cut. The chainsaw operates at around 15 meters per second. That's about 49 feet per second. That's not as fast as many gas-powered top-handle chainsaws, which is where most of the complaining comes from online. We know who you are. After making these cuts and wondering at the efficiency of the tool, I took a look at the battery. I still had 3 bars out of 4. In truth, what Milwaukee does is make sure that the saw keeps moving under load. So even if you push down harder, it's going to keep up that chain speed, and that gives you a really effective cut compared to a saw that's going to stall out on you or really slow down. After making all these cuts and wondering at the efficiency of the tool, I took a look at the battery. I still had 3 bars out of 4. Having not been the first person to use the tool, I can see why Milwaukee would claim up to 150 cuts per charge in 4x4 cedar. And that's using that M18 red lithium high output XC 8.0 battery. The 12-inch model retails for $339 as a bare tool, and that's going to be a great solution for linemen up in a bucket truck who just need to get rid of those smaller branches. The 14-inch model comes as a kit for $479, and that's going to satisfy arborists who might need to get through thicker material. Check out our full article for even more information, and we're looking forward to this January 2023 release.